India's first smart city, Dholera in Gujarat, will be developed along the 921-mile Delhi-Mumbai industrial corridor, on which a whopping $100 billion will be spent. AECOM, a Fortune 500 company, has been given the $30 million contract for full program management for Dholera project. AECOM is a global provider of professional, technical and management support services to a broad range of markets, including transportation facilities, environmental, energy, water and government.
Dholera is a huge township. It's ultimately by 2040 we are hoping to build about 900 square kilometers, but we are starting in phases. The first phase is about 150 square kilometers, but even within that we have an activation area. And that activation area is going to be 22.5 square kilometers. We call it activation because it's going to activate the rest of Dholera over the next 30 years. And our goals for the activation area is to get it completed by 2019. So industries can come in. It's basically a plug and play system where industries come in and they basically just build their structures and they start production. We have completed all of the environmental planning, the assessment, the master planning. The design is all done, the preliminary design. We have issued some major tenders, and the tenders are due December 2nd, and we are hoping to award the first contract for the roads and underground utilities by December 19th, when the Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi is going to be doing the ground laying ceremony for that.
Dholera is part of Dholera Special Investment Region Corporation's New Cities Infrastructure Program.
Trying to identify the right technology for the right part of infrastructure, which maximizes the not just the output but fulfills the complex requirements of the project. So we are using almost every available technology, whether it's a GIS technology or a BIM technology or design analysis technology, visualization technology. Every possible technology which is best in that area is being used.
The program aims to transform India's manufacturing and services base by developing a number of smart, sustainable and industrial cities along the DMIC. On the other hand, AECOM provides a blend of global reach, local knowledge, innovation and technical excellence in delivering solutions that create, enhance and sustain the world's built natural and social environments. Hopefully, Dholera will usher a new India into the world of smart, self-sufficient cities.